Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with focused preparation. Spend 5 minutes in creative doing ramp and wall edits to lock muscle memory. Once done, adjust controller dead zones to about 0, 0.5, and set aim assist to medium so tracking feels consistent. This reduces jitter when building fast. Make sure you bind one convenient button for quick placement to simulate zero build pressure. You'll start executing immediately so your hands learn sequences. Practice short bursts, then increase intensity to ingrain timing and reduce hesitation. You now focus on integrating aiming with non-building movement. Do 10-minute 1v1 aim drills to sharpen tracking and recoil control because consistent aim wins fights without builds. Then practice movement combos, slide, jump, crouch, while aiming to keep strafes unpredictable. This makes you harder to hit and buys reaction time. Once comfortable, prioritize spacing. Engage at ranges where your controller aim performs best rather than forcing close battles. Repeat these cycles daily to convert practice. You complete sessions with end-game routines. Run third-party pressure drills and practice conserving healing so you're ready for sudden fights. After matches, review replays to identify missed shots, poor spacing, or controller input delay. Understanding why you lost is how you improve. If you notice stutter, test a wired USB connection, lower render scale, and reboot the controller to remove lag. If problems persist, reset controller dead zones slightly up. Small adjustments often restore smooth, consistent performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.